Hi everyone! I'm a Korean dad who had lived in the Philippines for 15 years. I am in my house. But actually I have rented of this house. But during 20 years I have never interior renovated of this house. So now this condition is very dirty. Wow, I cannot imagine. So you stay tuned of this video and you can compare how I renovate this room. I can see the dry hanger. It was placed of a washing machine in balcony here. Look at inside the room. It is 33 square meters, a studio type, 1 CR, kitchen, and 1 room. The ceiling color is brown now, but before it was beige colored. The floor is a vinyl type, laminated paper. But the ceiling came down because of something broken. So messy here is placed of the refrigerator. It's wall closet. It looks very dirty inside, and door frame of wood also discolored. Before it was great, but now already over so many years I didn't touch and renewed. Even the sink cabinet was very old. The function is okay, but very old and so much scratch, and even the inside the cabinet like that. And kitchen hood was also broken. The cover of the light it was stained so much. Even the cover of the speaker and the cover of the switch and outlet cover also discolored. So I need to remove all stains. Okay, now I decide to clean and remove all stains with this multi-purpose chemical with a wet towel. I just remove any blot and stains like that. Even I just remove out the handle of the door and cover of the switch, even the power outlet, and collect all and spray the multi-purpose this chemical and wash wet cloth, even the broken toothbrush. It's very effective, very clean. Can you compare the before and now after the color? Wow, it's very effective. Do not change, but you can restore it, recycle. Also, I move out half area of gypsum board and arrange again the frame. So I have to insert again the new gypsum board on the ceiling. Now can you hear the tackle gun sound? Yeah, it's very strong and very flat. Before it came down. It's good, right? It's prepared to install wallpaper of the wall, even the ceiling. Actually, we do not paint wall and ceiling, only with like this wallpaper. Even I clean this entrance and paint it. Even the wall closet door and CR door. Hi, now I'd like to check the interior here. Just follow me. Maybe you will be shocked because before it was really very messy. Okay, just wait for a while. Jajan! Wow, it's great. The new sink cabinet. I changed this sink cabinet and changed the floor with laminated paper all around. Looks very great, like wood style. Okay, I changed the wallpaper, the wall for the ceiling. Looks very wider than before and very bright. Why don't you stay here? I'm willing to rent for you. Can you compare the before and after now? It's very different, right? It's very reasonable to pay for this material and labor. I didn't exchange but just clean this cover compared with before the color. The condition also very good now. And I painted the door of the wall closet and CR door and frame. It's for free. Wow, really messy before the situation. Now it's all around new. I just showed the receipt, the wallpaper $210 US, floor $240 US, and sink cabinet $640, and ceiling $340, total $1,430 US. It's very reasonable for making a good interior. If you like, just click like and recommend this video to your friend.